Hi, my name is Yuvraj Gupta, and this is a demo for Class CSC 667 Internet Applications. So, we have made a game poker. This shows a implementation of a multiplayer game poker. The tech stack we have used for this is Node.js, Express, PostgreSQL, Socket.io, EGS. For front end, we used a Vite framework and Tailwind CSS. The reasons for choosing these tools was the optimization that we were able to get and ease of use. The features that went particularly well was sign up, login, result, uh, chat, create game. The features didn't well particularly well was game logic. There's some place the logic kind of not work. There is a little bit of latency with multiple applications. During this demo, I'll show all the features that are listed for the assignment. Yeah, so first I'm gonna be starting with the login, logout, and sign up page. So once I go to the sign up page, I can either log in with the username, email, password, or confirm password, or sign in if I've already have a account. I'll just sign up with Alpha. So we have added authentication to check if this email is valid just by using @. Also, we make sure that the password are matched out. So once I create account, I directly go back to the lobby page, which will show me, give me option to either create a game, see what available games are already created on the platform, and go on a lobby chat. So I'll just go back to the home page just to show the session support. Since we have already logged in as alpha, it will show me a logout option, lobby option, and logged in as alpha option. Let me just log out and just sign it again to show the logout option. Yeah, once here I'll just use the lobby chat. That's I just say hi and asking someone if someone is available. This is a beta login person named beta who is logged in. He can see the message from alpha that 133, and this is another login for a gamma user, and he can see it alpha and is asking is anyone ready to play. Now as a alpha, I just want to create a game, so what I'll name final and max players to be 4. I can just go on create game and I will be on the game. Either it can show on lobby chat because I was already in a chat, or if I reload it, it will come in available games. So once I join, I can see there's 2 users and it updates on the first one alpha also showing 2 users. Let me just add one more user. So I'll join here. So it shows 3 users. Some browsers do take some time, specifically Safari does take a lot of time to show 3 users, but on Google Chrome it does show 3 users. So as a owner of this room and alpha, I have the authority to start the game. So the game has started and you can see everyone has got a different set of cards. There is functionality of showing hovering effect, some showing effects to make sure that it's your turn, and showing if a proper setup to call, check, fold, or chat during a game session. I'll just call $20 for this person, and let's just call $10 for this one, and go on to call raise money to $130 and call from alpha. So the total pot is currently 70. So I'll just fold one of the users. I'll just check there. Cannot check because there was a raise. Either I have to fold or I have to call 110. So I call 110 and I'll fold over here. So this is the pre-flop that we can see. So now as it's the alpha turn. So alpha can either choose to check, call, or fold. I'll do check this time. So alpha is checking. It's now the turn of beta to decide what he wants to do. If I check again, this is an error that sometimes comes when there are too many calls at a quick interval, but it should work. Yeah, and again, if I do a check over here, it will decide whose is better, and one more check, and it will decide who is better, who has a better three pairs of cards. Most likely it's going to be Beta because he has 3 4 pair. So Beta wins with a 3 of a kind, and his price is updated to 1650. Alpha is 1370 and Gamma is 1480. It shows overall. As the owner of this room, Alpha do have the authority to end the game and go to the result screen. So Alpha is currently ending the game. It gives a pop-up if you want to seriously end the game, because if the game is ended it can't be revisited. So if it does okay, it shows the result showing that Beta wins. Gamma was second with 140 $1480, and Alpha is third with 1360. The same screen is shown across all three users, and users can go back to lobby. The conversation in the lobby chat is always saved. Conversation in the lobby chat is always saved. So as Gamma, if I want to write hi, how are you, maybe from Gamma, one more game. So it's updated towards all the users. Let me just show you one more game, and I'll just show you a chat functionality that we have inbuilt over here. None of the chat from the lobby is going to come here, and I'll also make sure that this person joins, Beta joins it. Now on the chat I can see there's no messages. I can move this wherever on the screen I want, or I can just cross it and again reopen. So in this chat, if I write hi, it comes onto the Beta who is in the game, but Alpha who is not in the game won't see it in the lobby chat. Even if I reload the lobby, it won't show the chat that's going inside the game, and he can reply, hi, how are you. Hopefully I've make sure that I've include all the functionalities. Most likely some of the functionality don't work in Safari because of some browser issues. Yeah, that's the game. Let me go back to the homepage. Thank you for watching this.